that we need 4 ice cubes, string and salt. First we have to put string on all of the ice cubes. Then take salt and sprinkle over the rope and ice cubes.
Shh.
Let's see how is it happening. And the ice cube molecules are actually hexagon water molecule structure. When we sprinkle salt on the ice cube, the salt will actually disturb the actual ice cube structure molecules. And then when the sugar is weak amount, and then the freezing temperature will put the structure back to again. Then when the freezing temperature is back, and it will hold the rope tightly. Now we have to wait for the salt to attach to the ice cubes. I think one of them is attached. But ice cube fixing is success. Hello, we're going to make color splitting experiment, capillary action. For that we need 2 small tissue papers, brown and black sketch pens and a tumbler of water. First we take black and put dot. Made a black dot on the first one. We don't need the black sketch pen. Now it's time for the brown. Now I made a brown dot. Now I'm going to put brown here. And black here. Reach the dot. Capillary action is happening because the water droplets get into the dots. That makes the capillary action. The brown color gives yellow, green and pink color, while black gives purple, blue and green color. Tissue absorb water molecules except for then the gravity force. Then when the water molecules touch these dots, it gives colors. Pew 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 pew. Hello, we're going to do purple cabbage pH indicator experiment. Here's purple cabbage. extract. First, let's start. Let's do washing soda first. The color is dark green. This is baking soda. It is dark blue. This is fabric whitener. Almost. It is brown color. Instead of purple color, now it's brown color. Lemon juice. The color is pink. Here the lemon contains citric acid.